It's a lovely shot there from Pilley. He's got to close this down now as we hit the business end of the first.
9-7.
Again, he's being hustled and bustled by Mohamed Ali Anwar Reda. He's got a really good engine on in this Egyptian. Yeah, Cameron Pilley's improved the last few months. I've really seen a big difference in his movement. He's lunging, he's using his reach, and he's lunging a lot more into the front areas of the court.
11-8, game to Pilley. Pilley leads, 1 game to love.
I mean, that's well anticipated.
It's a good get though, isn't it, from Pilley? The lunge that you were talking about.
Yeah, well, he's got, that's a lovely shot. What a hold, and appreciated there from Cameron Pilley.
And out, 5-6.
Terrific hold, and then the racket head speed going through. Deceptive from Reda.
Well, that is a great shot from Cameron Pilley. Ball was actually pretty tight from Reda.
7-5.
Another good example of a drop shot on the forehand side. Sharp movement from Reda, somehow staying in this rally.
Down.
Bit ambitious there though.
11-6, game to Pilley. Pilley leads, 2 games to love.
So 7-3, 2-love lead. Again, going through, playing that ball.
8-3.
Was powering through now, isn't he, Pilley?
Well, 11-6, match to Pilley. 3 games to love. 11-8. 11-6.
So 51 minutes to finish this first match of this evening's play. Cameron Pilley overcoming Mohamed Ali Anwar Reda. 3 games to love.